Toyota Vets, Morales Cash.
Iqela lamamelodi Sundowns lim-announcele uSteve Komphela is back as a senior coach. Akacaci into yoba ngubani oyena mqeqeshi nangona ke uMike Makaba I think ebeke watsho eradioweni ethetha kuGagasi FM undoba so we have to assume uba engathi utimer uManqoba Mngqethu coach nguye head coach, but anyways we're not talking about that. Maybe at some point Sundowns will make a proper announcement uba ngubani coach wenu. Sike sava nakancinci into yoba kuyathethwa noPitso, but it turned out to be a Sunday news thing. They were saying something about Pitso, but we haven't heard anything. It's been 7 days now, so there's nothing so far. I was thinking that by this time we would know something, but what we do know is that Mamelodi Sundowns officially have signed coach Steve Komphela is back as a senior coach. Senior coach means assistant coach to whoever is the main coach. So Akayo co-coach, it really is going to be an assistant coach to whoever is going to be a main coach. Maybe that's Coach Manqoba Mngqethu, or maybe it will be someone else. We will see if he the season with a new coach. Hopefully, it will be the same coaches that they have. At least Coach Steve knows that environment, and Coach Manqoba as well knows that environment. Also, what is official is that Ukubamelo Kodesang is signed for Mamelodi Sundowns. We'll talk about that a little bit later on in the video as well. He's a wide forward. Used to play for Platinum Stars. I think he went to Vets as well briefly, and then he went overseas to Portugal. Very promising career. Really liked him the first time I saw him. We'll see whether or not he'll fit the Sundown style. So congratulations and well done to the young men. Of course, there's a lot of questions about the fact that you're still young and you're coming back to South Africa, but sometimes that's how things go. Sundowns in the Mali, overseas. So anyways, that's what happens sometimes. Masadango Steve Komphela Mfokakanye, back at Mamelodi Sundowns. Were you happy to see that?
Yeah, abaswile kuleya video. Bafuna ukulanda umuntu from lehlathini somewhere. Yeah, abaswile sonkuleko I think
not bad.
Yeah, not bad. I need to be honest. Yeah. I see into bad, but they should have leave no Rulani. Just swipe bamiye kuManqoba. Leave Rulani mkwenezwe. Leba yenzile understand. Ubani obatwazile. Yeah, not bad. Steve Komphela to be back there. You don't have to go international. Sundowns nzomo shi philosophy club. You're gonna send players. Many of my players wahamba ngekho happy. Like ngeke be happy. Yeah, when you bring this international coach, kusamela wafunde, kuzoba nema expectations. You're gonna spend a lot of money on high profile players. Kuzokuthatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi ajele. So, I think benze kahle ukuthi bambringe Coach Steve. As usual, akabi clear ukuthi
it's unclear who's going to be the coach, but Coach Steve, the title of senior coach, we know it from before. It means assistant coach. Yeah. It's just that sometimes abafuna ukubiza assistant big batali 400,000. I don't know. Yeah. Like they pay you too much to call you assistant, but it's just a matter of semantics. Indaba yamagama, you're going to be assisting whoever is the head coach.
Yeah, I'm going to check Steve Leskatela, he was a motivator to lose players. Akusumuntu onenkinga na players, you know, used to love Abuchali. I don't think Uchali ukubuhambile. If
oh yes, I remember that relationship.
He sometimes stand up. Uthola ukuthi uManqoba uhleli bekunama game ahlale phansi uManqoba noRulani stand up. He motivate those players. Let's play. Yabo. He's a good motivating coach like under 20 national team and under 23. And truly speaking, mhlambi Sundowns technical team bathema abahleli babheka. Baye check ukuthi Steve we need him. There's a relationship between him and Manqoba Mngqethu.
Yeah. I think those two actually get along. I think they are also in the same age group as well. Yeah. Because I do think that I don't think it would have been a comeback if Rulani was still there as well. Because there were things that were said after Coach Steve Ayagu Swallows at that time, and then he went to Golden Arrows as well. There were things about password, laptops, and there's handshakes when they were playing against each other. There was no handshake, stuff like that. I don't want to overblow it, of course, because Amatoda, they have to sort things out sometimes. But I think because they are in the same age group, it may also be that it was Coach Manqoba Ote Madoda uba mna nifuna ndiqhubekeke mna then ndifuna usebenza nale ndoda. Yeah, but it's possible
because right because uSteve bekasesene contract neArrows.
I think so, yeah. It could not have been just 6 months.
Yes, he had the contract.
Yeah, it could not have been just 6 months. Yeah.
So, Manqoba, he was very influential. But Sundowns had the choice to say no. It means Sundowns themselves, they used to love Steve. Yeah. So, I think Ubuya ngobi coach Manqoba wanted to work with him. There's a possibility to sebenza with you, mina mangibheka. Yes, right, Manqoba will be the head assistant Steve Compella. Kune relationship I think into beyikhona before Steve ahamba
Yeah.
between the two. Now I think they want to bring it back bona. The technical team yayibona and also they're happy with some other players. Phela kuna influence ama senior player, we like it or not.
Every club.
Yeah, but sometimes I'm sure there's senior players and say Steve was a very good guy. And we motivator, we used to love him. When we play, it's super excited. And when I'm checking, there's many videos I went in and I'm a player. Laughing na each other.
Sure, they have a good relationship.
He's a coach around in his span, but balekile phela as a coach be friend, but bazi indawo yabo. So I think there's a relationship between Manqoba Mngqithi, the team, Sundowns itself yonke. I think some of the high profile, high staff, abantu abakumember high, like on board, bamthandile uSteve, benge bambuyise noma
Yeah. But I think this is the second time now, career Coach Manqoba at Sundowns where bamcela ukuthi aphakame and aphakamise isandla and abonakalisa not ukungabaza but mhlambe ubuhlakani bokuthi angeke ngiyenze ngedwa lento, because I think by the time that, if you remember, ngo-2021, the time that Coach Pitso left, I remember that there was a conversation, because ukhumbule ukuthi around that time Coach Rulani was coming from a cheaper. It was not too long coming from a cheaper. So it was not going to be the first choice to replace Coach Pitso when he left. And I think from what I understand is that he was the one who suggested Lento, because that's when baqala into co-coaching. Angafuna ukuphakamisa isandla ukuthi I want to be the one, because Rulani always would take that. He's ambitious. He will take that in his stride and take all the pressure that comes with it. That was point number one at that point. Ukuthi makuvayo Pitso, we thought ukuthi Coach Manqoba would rise because Rulani went to Pirates, went to cheaper, so he had to apole kancane, you know. And then kule co-coaching, at some point it becomes pressure, and then Coach Manqoba, I think, whoever said what, but Coach Manqoba goes down, and then Rulani becomes the head coach. This is now yet another opportunity where Phakama Manqoba, Phakama, like the slogan, Phakama Manqoba. Like, this is your turn now, Coach Manqoba. Phakama. And I think even this time around he's doing the same thing where he would like to share. I think at Sundowns it's pretty clear that unabantu bathi, let's not go pesheya ngoba it's going to take us time to rebuild this thing. Nizohlakaza. And but the problem ukuthi iGrootman le bafuna uplifter ukuthi kube yiyo. He's reluctant to be the sole guy. Ukuthi let me be the head. I think maybe uzoyamkela ukuthi he's the head coach, because Coach Steve is coming as an assistant. For me, that's very clear. But Kuzomele, clearly he's going to be an assistant Coach Manqoba. So this is a Sundowns Manqoba Mngqithi currently. It's his team.
Yeah, Manqoba too reserve. Yeah, quite too much. Steve uzosukuma noma kuyi-assistant yakhe. I'm sure Steve has the pressure with Sundowns. But take over from somebody that has done very well. Mncane kibo nge-age, but has done very well. We need to be honest, set the standards. uManqoba right, umuntu he doesn't want to show ukuthi head coach. Now mangibheka Steve is going to be assistant. But it's clear. I think it's straightforward, clear. Manqoba is going to be head coach, Steve will be assistant, and there's pressure from both of them. But specific uManqoba. Yes, ugoba da. Kwaba nama flop. Sundowns did very well, but where it makes us most, especially Champions League, didn't do well. Nakumanyama trophy, all like South Africa.
Yeah.
So now, Bana this thing good has learned from his past mistake, and he has learned from Rulani Mkwena how the team maybe is supposed to be treated. Let us give both them and Steve Kosbane understanding. I'm sure now they'll bring the best, because uManqoba, we like it or not, he's a head coach. And Sundowns, doubts. They might say no, Azang by Cheli Media. They wanted to cooperate.
For sure, I believe that too.
Yeah,
I believe
they wanted to cooperate.
It's easy to dribble someone wangaphandle. Bamshaya but you sign wamfana.
Yeah,
it's easy to dribble them than someone from
here. I think
here.
they've seen it because of the influence of high-profile players. Sundowns. Back surprise is going to be back technical team.
Nice one.
Sapula.
TTC as well is not there, the coach.
Yeah, it's not there. So clearly, those players they are so influential because they're doing well. Sometimes they've been doing well with that board yabo. I think some president whoever kube ne-influence ibhodi yabo with those players baphama isandla ukuthi when you go abroad simosha le team again.
Yeah, you have to rebuild, okay?
Disjoint.
Yeah, uzohlakaza kumele akhe leyo coach lo.
And then i-technical team yahlala yodwa, let's bring Steve. Bambuza uManqoba masingakunika. But they knew ukuthi what I think baye bavele bathatha decision but Manqoba will give you. And then ufuna ukuspana nobani yena wacabanga uSteve because of their relationship. Yeah, but uManqoba nami ngokuyichecka he's a main head coach, but now we need to be honest njengoba ngisho layout set standard level mfethu. Rulani Mkwena, the team engiyibukelile kaManqoba ne team kaRulani is totally different. Attitude, the body language, players
attacking football.
Yeah.
Attacking football.
In fact, Mangabu Ronwen Williams, Cairo.
Yeah.
Cairo. Bamshang pressing, Ashai to touch Nanda. Hey, that's arrogant. And actually, arrogant is like you need to have a big, strong character.
Something.
Correct, yeah. So the question is, Lamchi to set the standard, then those players they used to play exactly the Lamchi that they were funang con. Uzo con and now coach seven those type of players. Because get hard with that. Uguti ya lose the team. Those most of that is some going in the middle. Ngenza nje example. Umdlali semhlambe nomkhuliso or whoever. You need to or no alende. Uyathanda uthandi bazolanda ibhola phambi kwebox. So isn't that was from Manqoba now. Once Sundowns he concede early, uzokhona ukuthi display. Because there's pressure at Sundowns. So yeah, yona Sundowns did a great thing with Bambuyisa Steve Babe, especially bangaya abroad. Coach Ilu Manqoba, Coach Ilu Steve. Manqoba na mangamcheka kwa more or less the same. Bekadlala ku dlala philosophy yabo Rulani, just that Rulani intensity is too high. And bamastara ama tactics ukwazi ukushintsha banokushintsha i-system badlala ngama-system ayi-3 game e-1 mawubukele uyabona ukuthi uze nga-approach ngale ndlela. Yeah, Sundowns credit from technical team with Bambuyisa Steve, but kunama expectations. Yes, Manqoba is a head coach, Steve is the assistant, mara kunama expectations.
All right, there you go. We'll quickly move on to the last one as we wrap up the video as well. So many things to be said about that because, of course, Sundowns has not officially announced to Coach Manqoba as a head coach. His agent has been speaking. He has a regular feature, Gagasi FM, so I forgot the name of the host, Nomal Simto Dladla. Forgive me if I mess up your name, on Gagasi FM. And he always give us the scoops. He's not being malicious. He will, when they ask him, ngama client work, he will tell you, I think this is a situation. Manqoba, he was evading the question, your head coach. And it took me back to this thing I always believe. Why every time there's an opportunity ka Coach Manqoba ngaphakamisa isandla athi nami ndiyayifuna then asebenza nabantu asebenza nabo. So this at the beginning he said something along the lines of he will get a different role, not a coaching role. But I think now maybe after persuasion for a week, khulunyiswana and abona now they brought Coach Steve back, then he's warming up to the idea. If akayifuni, then you might see the club going overseas and then you will see what happens to the club if akayifuni Coach Manqoba. But it's ezandleni zakhe ukuthi okay, you are now the head coach. It's important who is the head coach so that your fans can know who to blame. Singathi Steve or Manqoba, no, it's you, Coach Manqoba, you are the head coach. Whatever happens, and if you win, we give you the trophy yako. You are the coach of the season. You alone, you are the coach of the season. Let's move on to Kubamelo Kodisang. Wasn't expecting him to come back. He did well in the second division of Portugal. I think they got promoted, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, when I saw this news, Uti is signed officially by Sundowns, I was thinking that why haven't I seen this kid the last 12 months Bafana? Because I would have expected him to be in the picture. I think Uhlongwane, they gave him a chance and he didn't really do well, and then they took him out of the picture. Bafana. This young man, I would have expected in the last 4 years since I first saw him, that at least at some point you will start to see him at Bafana. Have you seen him? What do you think of him? And what do you think of him signing in Sundowns?
Politique. Bafana politique. Because he's one of the best talent. I'm one of the Platinum Stars. I'm one of the at the early age, didn't take long. Azanga mature.
Yeah.
He knows football. I think umfana ukuya pro thina sine abudaki nami ngiyazibala phakathi. Sinokushawa homesick, yabo. I don't think psychologically we're so strong, yabo. Bekumele ahlale. Jobusho, the team just got promoted to
Yeah.
Portugal. Because of Machora Lumchita, he was going to achieve so many things.
And who knows, the next destination would have been Europa League or something, a team in the Champions League.
At the
Maybe.
yeah. So coming to South Africa, I know Sundowns is one of the best in South Africa. Now, Entleck is the best in South Africa and one of the best in Africa. But now, better opportunities will be gone. Yabo? And look at the age. You go retire. Bengs understand. But now, I don't know why Meles said up in a style of play set up. Sizomsucha now. I put as individual. Kuna player that they know how to play individual. Can be a team player. Can he be a team player? We are going to be a team player now. Because sometimes people will pass and move around. I think it ain't a show lodge. Go Sundown.
Yeah, that's one of the weaknesses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they don't allow you to run any
Receive a ball pass, receive a ball pass.
In a yeah. Uyenza angazi makwenze njani. So uzofeature na ku style of play se-Sundowns and ama expectations angakanani. Phela kunabo Mshishi that they doing very well. I know ukuthi each bomshishi whatever you say, but he still uvala isizini kanje usase kwenye ku high note. Ubheke lapha phambili kunabo bani. Kunabo Ribeiro, kunabo Edis, yabo, Shalile Suel is there. There's a couple of players Nkulego, Nku. So
About Tashrik Matthews, they're still trying to get in the door.
exactly Abu Esquivel.
Yes, Esquivel, yeah. They're still
Esquivel.
trying to knock in the door.
We understand. Bazohambisa Sereno and then bring this boy. Ikutshela ngepressure Sundowns ekuyo. Izoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi adlale. Ngizoba nevar mfethu it's very difficult. I need to be honest. I don't know who signed him. Ngiyacabanga nje technical team yabo. I don't think abomancoba and stuff ukuthi babasayinele. This boy izoba nenkinga kakhulu, especially ku Sundowns.
It's a good player, though. It's a matter of how quick does he adapt to the system.
Yazi inkinga kuphi Nkuleko? Lapha kunama expectations. And the team has been doing well. Hayi ukuthi is doing bad.
Yeah.
So angeke kuzomele adjust. You need to live up to the standard wena. So ipressure kuwe. And the Sundowns ngendlela idlala mina I would love to see him Pirates or Chiefs. He's individual uyakwazi bayiphethe ngithi lento ayiphethe is so skillful. Uphethe vision awareness ngimbonile technical ukrene balance ehlakaniphile unokuhlakanipha kwebhola. Ama player njengalawo ama coach too much, like for instance njengoba ngisho ku Sundowns is a teamwork in most. They win as a team.
Yeah.
You hardly see individual la brilliance now. Ikona kubo Ribeiro sometimes, but they play. So is he going to be coachable now? Angeke mshaye psychological now. Ukuthi mina I want to run with the ball sometimes. Kunabo loje la basazama nabo kadapta. Ngabo esikuzoba nzima kakhulu. Is one of the best talent mamela. Ngedisk ayalkena ngibukwenile bengizokutshela ukuthi hayi ayalazi ibhola. It's just that mina nami I suspect ubublomile umchita ngalama. Like ayingabuhleli. Yo ngaphela le ithi makiqeda upronyotha manje. Coming back here, I don't understand. Really. My expectations and it's going to be difficult.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Thank you so much to everyone. Justice to Utso Vilagazi as well. And rest in peace to Uprasten as well, man. We lost a man in South African football. As Junior was saying, we keep on losing this man. I think it's time now. I think if you look at the Rulani, and I think that we must always try to look at the bigger picture. If you look at Rulani, he's 37 years old. If you look at Coach Dentens, is another one that we have hope in. People who play football. We lost to Ted. We were disciples of him. Coach Ted Dumitru, who, when he came to South Africa, he looked at it. Just like in Spain, they looked at themselves for 30, 40 years and they said, well, we have short players. So what's going to work for us is that we circulate the ball. We use brains. We use our number 6 and number 8 as our thinkers, and that's how we're going to conquer football. And they conquered football using brains. They said, we're not Sweden, so we don't have 12 players. We're not England, so we're not going to play the high ball. We don't have 12 players. They thought about it. They thought, apply your mind to a problem. I listened to Utayim Umatala, Uted Dumitru, and he said that the South African football player, I can't come here and make him long and taller. He is the thing that he is. And he is creative, a South African boy. He creative. Too. So what I do is design a concept, but in periodization or maximal training.
Maximal.
Yeah, maximal training, yes.
In small
He
with
designed
your
something called the maximal training. And he trained South African football based on strength sabo. Receive ni bola, ni pass around, and number 11 and number 7, nina nizo unlockela. And a specific type of number 8 who's able to think and feed everyone in the attack. So we need now to look beyond. Of course, Rulani proves that he's been able to take that kind of philosophy. Coaches like Peter Mosimane, coaches like Tentens Malisela, but I think we need to be able to see beyond that. What happens when they're not here? Who is able to carry that? Because most coaches just play and then they get fired and then they take money and they eat it with their children. But we need more coaches who are able to get the best out of African players, specifically South African players, whether they're Venda, Tsonga, Tswana, Zulu, Sotho, Pedi, Xhosa, Ndebele, all of them. Get the best out of those players. Because do you know what's interesting is that English football from the 1940s and 50s is still thriving in Cape Town. The people that used to teach those coaches, Kubo Hellenic, Nabo Cape Town Spurs, and Ngape Deben, if you read Incwadi kaNeil Tovi, he will tell you that English coaches came from England to come to coach those clubs at Deben, as India, and clubs as Belung. And that kind of football is still there. They play those long ball, high football. Where are the coaches to be able to teach us Ibola, Edlalo Pansi, to the strength of South African players? So we look forward to seeing all of these good coaches coming through and hopefully getting jobs as they receive their D licenses, B licenses, and A licenses. We'll come back next week for yet other bunch of videos. Thank you very much for watching us.